Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a full glam drugstore makeup look using all affordable makeup and brushes. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using this Milani Easy Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. And it was the first time of me using this product, and I have to say I really liked it. I liked the tip of it. It created a very nice, light strokes to create the illusion of hair brows. So it was really good. I really enjoyed it. The only thing is it was probably a bit light for me compared to what I'm normally used to, but it was good. Next, using the e.l.f. contour palette, I'm using the lightest shade to set my eyes, and then I'm using the darker shades to create some depth in my crease. You have to keep in mind, if you're trying this, these are not very pigmented, so I had to build up the color quite a bit. Like, I spent a lot of time building up that color. Maybe on a lighter skin tone it's going to show up a bit more, but on me, not that much. Next, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Iced Mocha. I love this eye pencil, seriously. It is so easy to work with. Stick foundations are my favorite because there's just, you just draw it on your eyelid and you're good to go. Plus, this color is perfect if you want a smoky eye but you don't want it to be too crazy or too intense. Loved it, seriously, so good. And then I'm using a Real Techniques blending brush to diffuse those edges. This brush is perfect for that because it is synthetic, so it works beautiful with cream products and stick foundations and all kinds of stuff. So again, I'm just diffusing those edges, and you can totally use this just like it is. Like, it's just a perfect daytime smoky eye look in my opinion. Next, I'm using the Color Tattoo pigment by Maybelline, and I was going to show it to you, but I end up spraying it everywhere. But yeah, I'm using this pigment in Breaking Bronze, and I'm just using it as a light for my eyelid. I'm dabbing it on my eyelid just a little bit and diffusing it with my finger to create some sort of light. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Stiletto eyeliner in black. I really like this eyeliner. It lasts a long time on my eyes, so that's pretty good. And I also find it to be very simple to work with since it is a felt tip eyeliner. For my foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation mixed with the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. It was the first time of me trying the Wet n Wild foundation, and I have to say I really like the formula. It didn't look cakey on my skin. I have oily skin and it lasted a long time. I had to mix it with the L'Oreal one because this shade was a bit dark for me, but other than that, it was really good. For my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, an oldie but a goodie. I feel like this concealer is so good on so many skin types. Every single time I recommend it to someone, they try it and it always works. So this is a good one for me. And I'm using a Real Techniques buffing brush to diffuse that concealer. It was the same brush I used for my foundation, and as you can see, I'm using a dabbing motion. I don't want to drag the product because I want the product to stay the majority concentrated on my under eye area. So just dab, and that will diffuse the whole product, and it's gonna look gorgeous. For my setting powder, I'm using the Coty Airspun translucent powder in all those areas where I used my concealer, and I'm dabbing that. And for my contour, I'm using the BH Cosmetics contour palette. And before anyone says anything, this is actually Drugstore. You can buy BH Cosmetics at Target. That's actually where I bought my palette. And please excuse the lighting. I was filming this in sunlight and the sun was playing games on me, so some clips are darker than others, but we'll get through it, people. We'll get through it. I'm using the Colossal Mascara by Maybelline, and for my highlight, I am using the Mega Glow Highlight by Wet n Wild in Precious Petals, and I'm using it with a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. Look at that glow. I seriously love this highlighter. It's an oldie too, but it's so good, seriously. And it's like, I think it's like $4, so it is so worth the price. I'm using this stick foundation to run it underneath my eyes, and for my blush, I am using my favorite of all time, the Milani Rose de Oro blush, baked blush. That's the name of it. For my lashes, I'm just applying some Kiss eyelashes and old ones that I had because I'm just extra like that, but you can totally go without lashes. For the lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the color Missy and Fierce. These are some, in my opinion, some of the best liquid lipsticks from the drugstores. They can feel a little bit dry, but they're not too much, so I really like it. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys recreate. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe like always. And hopefully I will see you in the next one. Yes, girl, yes. Mwah. Bye.